What you're looking at is a sew-in that my client managed to turn into a detachable sewn weave, or DSW. This is an example of the weave buddy that I installed on her about a year and a half ago during the pandemic. She managed to remove the sew-in with everything intact. So the base that you see is a weave buddy, and I sewed the weave knit to the weave buddy, and then I sewed the weave to the weaving knit. But when she removed her weave, she managed to keep everything intact. That is unheard of. I had never seen anybody do this before, but she managed to do it, and I just had to show you guys.
Crazy.
And this is her sew-in turned detachable
Oh, that
sewn
ain't
weave.
crazy.
Yeah,
It's
it is
awesome,
awesome that
actually.
she was able to do that. And this is the bag that she kept it in. And she preserved it in this little black bag so that she could bring it back to me and reinstall it a year and a half later.